What's up, guys? This is and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom texture. It's real simple. Check it out. Now, first thing we want to do is we want to pull up trusty Google and look for something. Any picture will work just as long as it has a texture. And what we'll do is we'll pull it in to Illustrator. Pull it into Illustrator, and here's what it looks like. Now, you see how it's kind of blocky? Well, those are pixels. So we can only make this a certain size before it starts to get unusable. So how I understand it is pixels are static and vectors are fluid. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this from static to fluid. So we're going from pixels to vectors. So the first thing I do is I make an additional layer. And I'll make a copy of that layer, lock that. So if anything ever happened, we can always go back from the very beginning. So I'll make a copy of this. Now let's click on our picture that we just brought in from Google. And it's real simple. So we want to bring up image trace. So we go to window and we'll go down to image trace, pull in image trace, and let's click on our artwork. Okay, let's down at the bottom left, let's click preview. So no, that's not going to work. All right, so let's hit the advanced tab, go down, and we'll start messing with these knobs until we get the best possible results. Threshold, let's leave that here. So let's go with corners. Let's go down to corners right here. Let's see if we can drag this over a little bit. See what that does. Pull down noise a little. So if you notice, it kind of fills in the blanks when we pull down the noise. So the noise is at 11 pixels. So let's see what happens if we pull it to 6. Oh, that looks a lot better. So let's go with, I'm thinking 8, because we do want a little bit of a difference there. Let's see. Well, let's try 10. 10 on the noise should put us where we need to be. I think that looks good. So now only thing we have to do is go up here to expand, click expand. Okay, expand just simplifies the picture, if you will. So now it's more editable. All right, so now we have this, but here's what happens if we pull this over. If we were just to place this on one of our drawings, then we'd have a background that we don't want. So normally what I do is I'll pull this all the way over. This must be a good size file. Pull this all the way over right here, and hit A, or go up here and click on your direct selection tool. So we'll click on that, and then we'll make sure we're only grabbing the background here. And then we hit backspace, delete that, and it should be gone. And it is. So we'll hit Control A to select it all. And let's move this back on over, which would be good. Now, me personally, it's for organizational purposes. What I do is I make this a compound object. So, or a compound path. because this is a lot of little layers. I mean, that's quite a bit. So what I'll do is I'll just select it and go up here to object and go down to compound path and hit make. And what that does is that combines the entire, all of the elements within your layer. So now we just have one. So it's easier to manage in terms of organization. But that's it, guys. That's it right there. Something short and sweet. And that is it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.